My name is Lily, and I have always loved the night sky. When I was a little girl, I would sit by my window and talk to the moon. It was my secret friend, always there, always listening, but as I grew older, I stopped talking to the moon. Life became busy. School, work, responsibilities. The magic of childhood faded away. One night, after a long and difficult day, I sat on my bed and looked out the window. The moon was full and bright, just like in my childhood. A strange feeling filled my heart. Could the moon still hear me? I whispered, "Are you still there?" To my surprise, a soft voice replied, "I never left." I froze. My heart pounded. Did the moon just speak to me? You can talk?" I asked, my voice shaking. "Of course," the moon said. "I have always listened. To you. You just stopped listening to me." I felt a mix of fear and wonder. "Why are you speaking to me now?" "Because you need me again," the moon said gently. "You are lost." Tears filled my eyes. It was true. I felt lost in life. Work was exhausting, friendships were fading, and my dreams seemed impossible. "How do you know?" I whispered. The moon chuckled. "I have watched over you since you were a child. You used to dream so big. Now, you are afraid to even hope." The moon was right. I had dreams once. I wanted to travel, to write, to do something meaningful. But life got in the way. "I don't know what to do," I admitted. "Then let me teach you something," the moon said. "Look at me. I do not shine by myself. I reflect the light of the sun. But that does not make me any less beautiful." I frowned. "What does that mean?" "It means," the moon continued, "you do not have to create light alone. You can find inspiration, learn from others, and still shine in your own way." The moon's words stayed with me. I had spent so much time thinking I had to be perfect, that I forgot how to grow. The next day, I did something different. Instead of waking up tired and hopeless, I decided to take a small step. I wrote a short story. It was just for me, but it felt good. Day by day, I started making changes. I read more books, I practiced English with new words, I talked to people who inspired me. Slowly, I felt the light return, and every night, I looked up at the moon and whispered, "Thank you." The moon never answered again. But it didn't need to. I had already found my own voice.